When you walk in, every idol falls in silence. When you speak, Lord, every fear forgets my name. I was empty, now your mercy fills my breathing. All I long for is to rest inside your flame. Breath of my Father, fill this place, fill my heart, fill my days. I am yours forever. Fire there, burn in me, set my soul, set it free. I am yours, I am yours forever. On this red ground, I lay